Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda CRV, that generation from year 2012 to year 2016. If you have one of those, you need to find, guys, where the fuse actually for the ECU, this is known as engine computer or ECM, engine control module. Stay with us, we'll explain which two fuses you need to check, where to buy cheap fuses and relays from, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience, guys. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys. Here at the garage, we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here, okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So the ECU fuse, also known as engine management fuse box fuse, guys, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on 2015 CRV. You have two different fuse boxes, but we'll be working in just one of them, and that fuse box is located under the dash, guys, on the driver's side. Look above the pedals there under the dash, all the way in the corner on the left side, and you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, we'll need to check two fuses, okay, not just one. Very important fuses, by the way. If you zoom in, you will notice that next to the fuses you have numbers. That makes it really convenient to find the fuse that you need. And the first fuse that we need to check for the ECU, we're talking about fuse number 4, that 15M fuse right here will need to be checked. Then you have one more, it's on the same row, and you need to come to fuse number 7. That 7.5M fuse is for the ECU as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.